Should you get a credit card if you're in the UK? This is a question that I've always pondered a lot, and also a question that I've had from many people that I've spoken to. And the answer is that it really depends on your circumstances. So a credit card can be a great way for you to build up your credit score, which of course is something that you need, well, to prove that you are kind of, good with money and that you can handle like debt and that sort of thing. So this is essential when you're going for a mortgage, or when you're trying to get you're handling some form of finance, or like a loan, which is going to help you to set up a business or something along those lines. So your credit score is something which is important, and having a credit card over a longer period of time can help you to build up this and give you a stronger rating. So, there are kind of two sides to the coin, and I think that in terms of like a credit card, for me, I personally do not have a credit card at this stage because I don't think I would use it enough to justify it. There are a lot of perks with credit cards. You can get rewards such as money off and cash back from spending at particular stores. You can use it for points and days out with kind of petrol, or days out at the zoo or whatever. Different providers will offer different rewards. As far as I'm aware, generally speaking, the rewards of credit cards in the UK are not as good as in America. Of course, you can get some good ones with, I think there's some which are like 1 to 3% cash back on all your purchases. The thing is that if you do get a credit card, make sure that you repay it back in full every single month. So I believe you can do this through automated direct debits, so that each month it just comes off out of your bank account and it pays it off in full, and then you don't have to worry about it. And also this way you're building up your credit score, so that when you do come to have a big decision like buying a house or getting a mortgage, that you're in a good position to do so. Now, in order to do this, and this will give you better and more favorable interest rates and that sort of thing, you need to build up your credit score for a long period of time, and a credit card is one of the easiest ways to do this. However, the thing is, it depends on how trustworthy you are with yourself and how self-disciplined you are with your money. Because if you don't pay back that expense straight away, the interest on the amount on your repayments can very quickly add up through compound interest. Say you have 5% in month one, once you haven't paid back the debt that you owe, then in the second month, this is going to increase 5% on what you owe, plus 5% on top of that, and so on and so forth. So the earlier that you can pay it back, the better. Credit cards also do have an advantage in that if you're paying for something and something goes wrong, that you can claim the money back from the credit card company. So this is a big advantage of credit cards over debit cards. But like I said, it depends on how much you use it, because especially with some of the reward schemes and that sort of thing, it warrants that you use it quite a lot, and that you spend a fair bit. And obviously you can have different cards for different purposes, but personally, from my experience, I don't want to have the stress of having one card for petrol, one card for general grocery shopping, and one card for holidays. You can get credit cards which will assist you with travel and that sort of thing, and credit cards can be a good thing. It depends on, what your kind of perspective is. I know there's some people like Dave Ramsey who will say like credit cards are bad, debt's bad, everything's bad. But you know what? There's two sides to the coin, and especially if you're young and you have that kind of financial goal to work towards, and this is something that you're looking to do, a credit card can be a really good way to build up your credit score. And if you want to figure out whether you have to build up your credit score, or what you're currently at, there's several websites that you can do that. I believe Money Saving Expert has a good kind of credit score checker on there, and also Experian has a credit score checker as well. So you can figure out whether you kind of have a bad credit score at the moment. Your credit score is made up of all sorts of different things, like your repayments on rent, your financial history, your earnings. It's based on a whole lot of things. But if your credit score is bad and you want to improve it so that you can get like a better and more favorable rate for mortgages and this sort of thing, then credit cards can be a good, easy way to do this, as long as you can afford to do it and afford the repayments. I've seen a lot of people get into bad financial states just because they take out a credit card and they see it as free money. So they spend more than they actually have in their account, and thus they end up with endless repayments each month. And so the actual money that they have to spend gets worse and worse and worse. And especially I've seen people like max out the limits on a credit card and then go,
oh yeah, that's fine, I'll just get another one because I need to spend some on this. I've got like Christmas coming up, or I've got birthdays coming up, etc, etc.
That's all well and good, as long as you're able to repay it. As long as you're able to keep your expenses under control, If you have self-discipline and you trust yourself with your finances and your spending, credit cards can be a really good way of doing this. If not, then avoid at all costs. So what are your thoughts on credit cards? Do you have one? Which is your favorite credit card? And I hope that this was useful, and I will see you in the next one.